How to change font size in Facebook. If you're finding the text on Facebook a little bit too small or too large and want to change the font size to make it more comfortable, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to adjust the font size on Facebook. First, open your web browser and open Facebook, or you can simply open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines. This will open up the menu where you can access all Facebook settings and options. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Once in the settings menu, scroll until you see the media section. And here, as you can see, font size, tap on it. Here you will see the option to adjust the text size. You can select between small, medium and large. Choose the size that suits your preference. Now let's say large. Once you've selected your preferred size, you will be got back to Facebook's feed, and you'll notice that the font size has been adjusted according to your selection. Now if you're using Facebook on a desktop, it is the same process. And that's it. Now you know how to change the font size on Facebook.